you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. And guess what? It's Food Pantry Day. Now, first and foremost, I want to say thank you for all the prayers to Joe. He is doing much better. He's out of the hospital and he's going to be okay. All right, now with further ado, let's dive into this Food Pantry haul. Starting from the left to the right, we have a really good Food Pantry haul here today. Thank God, because things are getting lean out there, nieces and nephews. We're going to start off with some wonderful soup. I got a tomato soup, low sodium. In fact, I got 2 of them. Then I got a cream of mushroom soup, heart healthy, which means it's got less fat and less sodium. That's right. Then I got some no salt green beans. I got 2 cans of those and 2 cans of corn. Now, these vegetables, of course, you could serve as a side dish, but you could combine the green beans and the cream of mushroom and make a green bean casserole, or add some meat to it and make a meat green bean casserole, and that could be the main dish. Got your veggies and your meat all in one. Then we got some green beans. We got some black beans, 2 cans of those. I got some sliced pears. Jay is gonna love that. 2 cans of diced tomatoes. I love me some spaghetti. And of course, we have some low sodium spaghetti sauce. Now, I've got an item down at the end I'm going to show you, but this spaghetti is going to accompany a wonderful Cajun dish, because this week, yes, I'm doing Cajun dishes. And to show you what it's going to be, boom, you guys voted and you told me you wanted red beans and rice. Well, guess what? We're doing red beans and rice. Check this out. I got 2 bags of rice. I got some red kidney beans. When I combine this, oh, look out. Look out. I got some dried cranberries. Oh, Miss Brenda is going to make me some cranberry oatmeal cookies. Oh, yeah. I will let you all see how we do that. They're really good. Then I got some fruit cups. These are excellent for kids' lunches. But did you know that you can combine this with some milk and flour and sugar and a little bit of cinnamon, and then combine this with it and make like a little fruit cake? You bake it all together. I'll show you that. Then we got some spicy bean dip, Taco Bell style. Wonder how that tastes. I think I'm gonna make a spicy taco today and see. We'll see. 2 bags of cereal, the knockoff Rice Krispies, but these are good. I'm telling you, these are good. They're really good. Then we got some corn flakes. Those are always a good staple. Did you know that you can also use these not only to eat but to fish with? If you combine these with some dough, I gotta remember the recipe, and some other things, you can make your own dough bait. Yes, carp love them. Catfish too. All right, let's jump over here. We've got some wonderful things. Organic spring mix. That's going to come in handy, because I'm going to do a big old salad today. Then we got some protein bars. I got 2 of them. Let's see what flavor. Peanut butter and chocolate chip. Yeah, 2 of those right there. Then I got some, what is this? Blue raspberry hydration drink. Ghost. 2 of those. And look, finally, we got some non-fat dried milk. I know how to make this taste good. I'll show you how you do it, y'all. You're going to like it. So a couple drops of vanilla and about a 1/4 cup of sugar or less. Combine that and you've got milk that tastes like milk. Now, I got some peanut butter. Got some celery. You can do all kinds of things with celery, from dressing to snacks to casseroles to soups. Oh yeah. And speaking of soups, check this out. I got some more sweet potatoes and onions. I don't get that combination, but hey, it's there. I got some cabbage. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make my cabbage and black bean soup. Yes, it's very simple. Very, very simple. I just take off these wilted leaves and do the rest. It's a really simple recipe. Okay, I'm going to show you how you do it. I got some bananas, as my mom used to say. These are green, but don't worry, they will ripen. Oh, and look back here. We got some Lay's stacked chips, sour cream and onion. These will be for Jay. He likes those. Then we got a bag of apples. We got 3 apples. I could chop those up and make an apple salad. Or an apple tart. Chop them up, put a little butter and sugar, put them in a skillet, do them up. That'd be a great little side dish. Now, we've got some mild cheddar cheese, a whole bag. Hallelujah, because I'm going to make a huge thing of macaroni and cheese to feed several people, and I'm going to freeze some, okay, just so I have it. I got some more tortillas. These are flour. Oh, these will come in handy. I might freeze these and keep them. No, I'll see. I might use them right away. I'm going to see. Then back here, we've got some dairy products. We've got some 2% milk. Yes, yes. Then we've got 4. Ooh, is this blueberry? Yes. Hold on, let me turn this around. Let's get this in focus. Green Hill, I believe this is blueberry yogurt. I don't know. It just says low-fat yogurt. But I'll let you know. Oh, it's vanilla. It's vanilla, but that's okay. Because I can put the pears in that. I can put fruit in that. Anything and flavor it. Then we've got some potato bread, and these are hamburger buns. They're so soft. Oh, I'm going to do some turkey burgers today. I'm going to grill them up, and I think the people will love those. Yeah. Then we've got this mixture here. I believe it is for, let's see, turn this around. I think it's what you need for fried rice. Yep, vegetable rice confetti blend. Yeah. So you could do your rice with this. Oh, that'll be nice. Okay. Then I've got some oatmeal, some pasta for the spaghetti, or we could make a cold pasta salad. I've never made that for you guys. I should make that cold pasta salad. I think you'll like it. Back here, I've got some organic chamomile tea. Can you see my spoon? I'm ready to make some. Yes, I love chamomile tea. Relaxes you so. Then back here, I've got some more peanut butter and jelly with some strawberry fruit spread. This is nice. It really is. And look, guys, no high fructose corn syrup. It's really a nice thing to put on your peanut butter. Or you could put it in a pastry and bake it, like those little wraparound pastry things they sell. Yeah, that'll be cool. I forgot what you call those. Somebody out there will tell me. Look, you all, we got some drumsticks. Mm, mm, mm. We could do all kind of things with these. Barbecue them, bake them. But since it's getting warm, I think I'm going to barbecue them. Or we could soak them and do them teriyaki style. Yes. Yes, that sounds good. Then over here, we've got some wonderful, let me turn this around. Loin pork chops. Got 4 of them. Then we've got some ground pork and some more ground turkey. And look at this, a bag of shrimp. Now that's going to come in handy because I'm going to make some Louisiana seafood cakes. Yeah, Cajun style. Then we've got, that's why I was talking about the spaghetti earlier. Then we've got some vanilla extract that gave spices. I'm so glad. Madagascar, is that how you say that? Yeah, I think so. Madagascar vanilla, nice. Then we've got some more of this liquid garlic. I have not used it yet, but I will be using it today. Yes, I'm going to make a video on this stuff. We're going to rate it from 1 to 10. Then last but not least, we have some spicy sweet chili wheat thins. Ooh, that sounds good. I bet this would be good with a shrimp on top and some sweet chili sauce extra. Oh, or maybe a little, mozzarella or Chihuahua cheese on it. Yeah. Now, let's get a good pan. Ooh, a good pan of everything we've got. Let the camera kind of catch up here. jump over here and see how we have been blessed today and the recipes that we can make with the blessings we received. All right, times are getting lean, but we must survive. Now, I'm going to show you some meals I'm going to make with things from the food pantry. Now, I'm going to also show you a shopping video where I know where to go, and you can do this too, to get good deals on meat, where to find sales, all kind of things like that, okay? Come with me on a shopping day. I think you guys are going to like that a lot. So you guys wrote in red beans and rice, one for the meal that I'm going to make. So I'm going to do Cajun dishes all this week, affordable ones that you can do yourself too. Freeze them, have meals down the line that you can do, okay? I want you to like, I want you to comment, and I want you to subscribe. I want you to tell your friends about me. I want you to write to me at UncleChris, thefoodpantrychef.com, okay? Nobody did the chicken wing recipe. I got a great giveaway to give to you all. Well, I'm going to surprise some people who wrote in. I'm going to give them something, okay? All right. Remember, I love you guys out there. We got to get those numbers up so I can help as many people as I can because things are changing. But don't worry. I'm there for you, okay? All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. And thank you so much for those prayers for Joe. All right. Till next time, which will be tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking?